Scene script. Ever wondered how to make the perfect teriyaki salmon at home? Well, think no more, because today we're diving into the art of preparing this delectable dish step by step so you can recreate it in your own kitchen. Imagine the sweet and tangy flavor of teriyaki sauce, the succulent flaky texture of perfectly cooked salmon, all brought together in a symphony of taste that'll leave your taste buds dancing. It begins with the ingredients. You'll need 4 salmon fillets, a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of water, 2 cloves of garlic, an inch of fresh ginger, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, on to the marinade. A good marinade is the soul of your teriyaki salmon. Begin by grating the ginger and garlic into a bowl. Add the soy sauce, brown sugar, and water, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Drizzle in the honey, mix well, and your marinade is ready. Next, place the salmon fillets in a dish and pour the marinade over them. Make sure each fillet is thoroughly coated. Cover the dish and refrigerate for at least an hour, though overnight is best if you want the flavors to truly permeate the salmon. Once the salmon has marinated, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, take the salmon from the fridge and let it sit at room temperature. This allows for even cooking. When the oven is ready, place the salmon on a lined baking tray, skin side down. Reserve the marinade. It will serve as a glaze later. Bake the salmon for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember, the cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of your fillets. While the salmon is in the oven, pour the reserved marinade into a pan. Simmer it over medium heat until it reduces to a thick, shiny glaze. Once the salmon is cooked, remove it from the oven and generously brush each fillet with the glaze. There you have it, the perfect teriyaki salmon. To recap, you marinate the salmon in a mixture of soy sauce, brown sugar, honey, ginger, and garlic. Bake it at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes and finish it off with a glaze made from the reduced marinade. In the end, you're left with a dish that's not only bursting with flavor but is also incredibly easy to make. So why wait? Give this recipe a whirl and bring the taste of teriyaki salmon right into your kitchen, because nothing beats homemade.